Hello and welcome back to my channel of free trade analysis. If you guys are new to my channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click on the bell icon so you guys can receive regular updates from my end and you guys do not miss on any of the profits then that we make on regular basis. Okay, so now let us discuss the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. So when we were discussing gold yesterday, market was trending over here and we marked this area as an area of short-term resistance and this area as an area of short-term support. And you guys can clearly see that our support area was initially almost tested over here. You guys can clearly see and then gave us a good buying opportunity over here. So if you guys were vigilant, then you guys could have taken a buy entry over here. Your stop loss would be just below this previous candle and your take profit will be approximately 5.6%. So very amazing profit in this trade. And afterwards, as the market closed above our area of short-term resistance, then we could have taken a risky buying entry over here. Our stop loss would be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately over here. So this trade would have given us a profit of 1.1%. And afterwards, if we were non-risky buyer, then when market retested this zone, then we could take a buying entry over here. So we would enter over here, and our stop loss will be approximately over here, and our take profit will be approximately here. So this trade would have given us a 2.2% profit, which is again amazing. Okay, so now let me mark the new areas of support and resistance in the gold so you guys can easily trade this gold tomorrow as well. Okay, so these will be the area of resistance and the support area will be approximately this zone. Okay, so now let me mark the. Okay, so these two levels are now going to act as an area of support, and this key is going to remain as it is. So now let me move all the scenarios in as discussed. Okay, so if you guys want to know anything else about the trading psychology, trading mentality, and the discipline of trading, just let me know in the feedback section and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. So you guys can also learn more and more about our methods and so you guys can train your mind in a better way and you guys will learn as well. Okay, and that how do I mark these levels and how do we do this all of this trading. Okay, so now let us I have marked all the areas. So if you guys want to know anything else, just let me know in the comment section. Meanwhile, just click on the like button, the subscribe button as well, and do share this video with more people so more people can benefit and make profits. Thank you. That's all from this video. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.